What's good, YouTube? Back again with another video. Right now I'm at work, as y'all can see. About to repaint my front bumper, man. I can't be driving around like that. I'm in the heat room right now. Letting the can paint warm up. This shit not even that warm, but yeah, we finna just go outside and go over the bumper again with white paint, and then leave it in the heat room overnight. It's gonna be a short video, man. I just wanna put some content out for you guys. So I'm gonna set it up, pretty much time lapse it, and just show y'all when I'm done. Y'all, it's the next day, you know what I'm saying, back at work. Good morning. It is a morning, it's early as hell, about 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock. But yeah, today we're just gonna continue and put the front bumper back on. It came out pretty good. And also I got my Harbor Freight welder. I was gonna weld up my exhaust, but I need some more metal pieces to make hooks. You know what I'm saying? The hook to the back or the little rubber piece. But now I'm just gonna spot weld this piece right here because it was broke. I had to hammer it back. And I'm just gonna spot weld this right here too, just so I can make it stronger. And I might spot weld this because I don't know if you can see that rusted bolt that broke off in it. So hopefully, you know what I'm saying, it looked like a stain, but just to be on the safe side. Pretty much just gonna do a little quick time lapse of me spot welding this and probably putting on a bumper. And yeah, time lapse start now.
On it.
Yeah. That'll work. Okay. First time welding, nigga don't even know how to weld.
Go get ran shit if I don't weld his
Weld his shit.
Just be weld.
Them ones were 10s?
Yeah.
Alright, y'all. Front bumper's on, man. Try to get it as tight as we could. There's little gaps here and there, but I mean, it's all good. Like, right there. You know what I'm saying? Just put some zip ties right here to hold it up. She's on, man. She looks good. I like it. Yeah, baby. Yeah. So yeah, man, I'm just gonna chill for the rest of the day. Just put my tools back up, man. So I want to take this time to tell you guys to go ahead and follow my Instagram, because if I'm not posting on here, I'm posting something on Instagram. Or if I'm not posting nothing on my Instagram, I'm posting something on my Snapchat. So y'all go ahead and take the time to add me on Snapchat and add me on Instagram, and also go ahead and take the time to hit that subscribe button, man. I'm gonna wait for y'all. All right, y'all hit that subscribe button. I'm gonna go ahead and leave my social media in the link in the description below, so y'all go ahead and follow that. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye.